shining for me all along. It calls me back to Texas. Lone Star, shine down on my hometown. Fill my memory, light my way. Cattle in the open range all round. Sunlight and the smell of new mown. Good and much happiness I found. I know my home is waiting for me by the river's shore. I know that all the ones I love will welcome me once more. In dreams I see them now, though it seems I'm bound to roam. My thoughts are still of Texas.